Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. I'm Christine. I'm glad you're here. Welcome to an iGenius corporate video. Let's get straight to the corporate team of a company called iGenius. Their mission is to help people live brilliant lives, and we are committed to continually provide our members with smart, leading-edge opportunities, resources, tools, and education to help amplify quality of life. iGenius is a company that sells access to a financial platform and to a service platform. At least that is what they're doing on the surface, to sell access to an e-learning platform where they claim that they have a lot of knowledge that will teach you how to make money, be rich, be educated when it comes to financial services connected to the stock market. This is the corporate team of iGenius, and it is their mission to help people live brilliant lives. The head of all of this is Chad Garner, the president, Christian Crabtree, the senior director of sales, Jamie Brown, director of marketing communications. We have director of product and technology, director of global education, Stefan Kassing. Are you German? Hello. Riker Healy, director of customer support, sales operations manager, and a graphic designer. But let's focus on the president of the company, Chad Garner. Chad brings over 18 years of sales, operations, and marketing experience. Chad was a founding member of the executive team for Daily Bread, a successful direct sales company that was sold to a private equity firm. He has built and scaled multiple high-impact sales organizations throughout his career. Chad led the inside sales, outside sales, affiliate sales, business development, and customer success departments, with helping raise venture capital for a technology startup called People Keep. His passion is helping others improve their financial situation so they can live stress-free and enjoy life. Chad Garner is the founder and president of iGenius, and he's also connected to the parent company called Investview. Chad was part of a founding team for Daily Bread, a direct sales company, and according to Crunchbase was also the vice president of a company called Wealth Generators LLC, which went out of business in 2017 after a judgment against them for illegally offering forex and finance options, which they were ordered to pay a restitution of over $150,000. Ironically, if you take a look at Wealth Generators and what the company was like, it looks very, very similar, almost the exact same business model as what iGenius offers right now, with the now legal additional crypto twist thrown in. I will link an article down below from Behind MLM about Wealth Generators. It is a very in-depth article. It is very interesting, so if you're interested in this, then go ahead and check it out. Interestingly, Chad also on his LinkedIn just mentioned operating as a president for Qvera Global from 2016 till 21, and then for iGenius, there is no mentioning of Wealth Generators. I mentioned iGenius parent company before, Investview. The company is a publicly traded company, and Investview also delivers financial information, products, and services for financial education, block technology, crypto mining products, and a brokerage trading platform. Since the company is a publicly traded company, they had or have a stock with a market cap of over 90 million, and that might seem very impressive at first glance, but when you take a look at the over 100% drop-off they have had since the company's listing at the stock market, then that is not good. The stock trajectory over the past 5 years is also bad. It's really, really bad. And it is a bad sign, in my opinion, that a financial management company has taken such a hit at the stock market. So the stock for Investview, the publicly traded parent company, is down. Investview and its owner also claim that they are breaking financial records and that they're extremely profitable, but its publicly available records say otherwise, with decreasing assets in 2023. I will link their 2023 report in full down below if you want to take a look at that as well. That is the most updated version. I mention Investview here specifically because if you stumble across iGenius, or when people pitch iGenius, then many times they mention the company Investview to give iGenius credibility as a publicly traded financial platform, and therefore Investview is highly regulated, which then in their opinion also shines a light on iGenius, because many times when you go through the internet and you search for iGenius, you will find, is iGenius a scam? Is it a horrible company? Will I lose money in iGenius? iGenius doesn't really have a good reputation, but their connection to Investview could improve that a lot. That is why distributors in iGenius also like to claim, well, iGenius cannot be a scam because we are connected to Investview, which has such a public profile. So, of course, if Investview is publicly traded, we cannot be a scam, which is absolutely not logical, and there's no correlation there. Investview, like all publicly traded companies, have to have a certain level of transparency when it comes to the stock and to the stock market and to their investors, but that is not something that gives a company legitimacy, and that also doesn't shine on iGenius. When we take a look again at Chad Garner's bio and at his LinkedIn, he mentions his connection to Investview as well. He mentions himself as the iGenius Global President, the Qvera Global President, but Wealth Generators is erased from his very own bio there. I've mentioned it before, but Wealth Generators, and go ahead and check out the article from Behind MLM, looks like an extremely similar business model to what iGenius has to offer in this day and age, with iGenius being legally able to offer crypto trading, which Wealth Generators got fined for because they were offering the crypto option illegally. Wealth Generators went out of business in 2017 after the judgment against them for illegally offering forex and finance options, which they were ordered to pay a restitution of over $150,000. So iGenius is a company that already has a history of rebranding within a rather short period of time. They started out as Wealth Generators. That is an assumption I have to make because these operating systems are so similar. A couple of years later, they rebranded to Qvera Global, and then they rebranded again to iGenius. Let's take a look what a membership in iGenius looks like. iGenius helps people solve their problems in new and brilliant ways. And the benefits, according to iGenius' own website, is that iGenius has a membership for anyone interested in improving their relationship with money. And then an interested customer can sign up with a choice, select, premium, or elite package. They vary from $100, $300, $600 to $1,500 as a one-time sign-up fee, and then a monthly renewal fee of $99 up to $174.99. In the packages, different benefits are included, everything in the elite package and in choice the least. They have products like University, Learn Live, Money Pro, Market Pro, Forex Thrive, Crypto Core, Equity Prime. Are we in a Transformers movie? Is Optimus Prime coming our way? That would be cool. Alpha Trader, Elite Advantage, Crypto Elite powered by Endowtech, Coin Pro powered by Coin Rule, discounts on various products and services, and Elite Advantage. Then they also have the Explore Pro membership tiers, the Gold and the Platinum tier, and there you can spend a one-time membership fee of $749.99 or $999.99. If a customer is already a member and signed up with the elite level, then they can pay less. A little bit less, $649.99 or $899.99. And then there are more expenses listed, and the benefits for this Pro membership tier is hotel discounts, cruise discounts, rental car discounts, condo discounts, worldwide tour discounts, reward credits for personal bookings, reward credits for guest pass booking, lifestyle benefits, saving bonuses on guest pass bookings, other benefits, more benefits, benefits over benefits. A lot of these things sound like things you can get when you have a credit card, where you pay everything via the credit card and then you can get points that you can also use for discount for certain services, or if you travel and you travel with one hotel group specifically or with one service specifically, specifically, or with one airline specifically, or if you go by train a lot and you have a discounted card. In Germany, for example, we have the Bahn card. It sounds very similar to these services. Or if you are a part of a corporate team, the horrible, horrible corporate job, the companies also offer those many, many times for their employees. Where all of this gets even more suspect, in my opinion, is, and you very likely know this if you watch these videos, if you follow this channel regularly, is that iGenius is set up as a network marketing company. And if you know anything about network marketing companies, about MLMs, then you realize that the product the company sells, in this case, the access, the membership to a financial literacy and to an e-learning platform, that the products are not that essential. The company is designed to be an MLM, to be, in my opinion, an MLM scheme, and not a financial empowerment or education platform. Let's take a look at their website yet again to be brilliant and see how you can get started. What are the benefits and what do you have to do when it comes to the MLM part of the company? The way the company is set up. iGenius members are rewarded for attracting and retaining new members. Yep, it's an MLM. You can get a fast start bonus, rapid fire bonus, top up bonuses, X6 and X12 bonuses, leaderboard bonuses, binary team commissions, $1 million bonus, smart finance bonus, generational match. In this case, these descriptions already tell me what is incentivized. In the company specifically, surprise, it is recruitment. If you have the ability to give people a leadership bonus, a binary team bonus, and a generational match, those are all terms that gear towards people who want to build a team. And they also say that at the very top of the website. And let's take a look at two of these bonuses they mentioned, because the wording, in my opinion, is very confusing and they're not accurate. Let's take a look at the Fast Start bonus. Active members are eligible to receive one-time Fast Start bonuses on new member enrollment and upgrade orders from their personally enrolled members. Those are the tiers I have shown you before, and here we have additional information when it comes to the MLM model. If you sign up with Choice up to Elite, you pay a lot of money for what you get, in my opinion, but if you sign somebody up, you get a bonus. You get $25 if somebody signs up with the Choice package, and 50 PV, up to $200 bonus, and 1000 PV if you sign somebody up with the Elite package. Just numbers-wise, this is shabby and this is really, really cheap. Imagine that you're able to sign somebody up, to recruit somebody with the Elite package. A person is able or willing to pay $1,500 one-time fee to have access to all of the tools that the platform offers, and you get $200. What the heck? Potential recruits can also sign up with a lower tier and then they can upgrade later. But it is in the best interest of the distributors to sign the people up from the get-go with the highest package. If you're able to sign somebody up with the Elite package, you get a $200 bonus. And if somebody decides, no, they don't have that money, they sign up with Premium and then they want to upgrade to Elite, you get an additional $75. You get $100 bonus for signing somebody up in Premium, and you get overall $175. That is less than $200 if you already signed somebody up from the get-go with the Elite package. And that is also why the distributors are so keen and they push this Elite package so much. They always claim, well, if you really want to take this seriously and if you really want to learn about this business and if you really want to learn about investing, then you should start with the Elite package because it also includes our AI. But in reality, the person who signs you up gets most money if they sign you up with the Elite package from the get-go. And then we have kind of the retention. What happens if people will remain in the company? Because the pricey start into iGenius doesn't stop here. Ironically, the bonus that is called Rapid Fire Bonus is nothing like this. It just means you have a recruit and the person stays in the company. And then you get monthly $25 if that person renews their fee. A renewal costs $180 and you get $25 for each and every person that continues to stay within the company. Yet again, cheap. If somebody is willing or able to pay $180 per month so that they can continue to use this financial platform, then you, as the person who signed them up, only gets $25. I do believe that these numbers show very clearly that the primary goal of the founders of iGenius is to get you refer more members, so recruit more people and not help you or them better their lives by understanding the stock market or crypto or forex trading. Also, fun fact, if you ever take a look at iGenius website, it is packed with grammar, spelling errors. It's really almost comedic. But if you want to sign up, which I wouldn't recommend, but I still went through this website and took a look at that. I live in Germany, so if I wanted to sign up with a company, there is a drop-down menu that shows me what countries the MLM operates in, and Germany is not alphabetically in the right spot. None of the countries are in the right spot. That is just a minor thing, but it's not a good look. All of the countries are listed with their English names, but Germany is listed under D, which is the German word for Germany, Deutschland, but then it is also not in the correct order because Deutschland, if we're going in alphabetical order, would have to be placed after Denmark. Not the major issue, not the major problem I have. There are worse things that this company offers, just the service itself, but I found that rather interesting. If there are a lot of spelling errors or if the entire service operates already sign-up-wise in such a weird way, I do not trust that this is actually a good service or a good company. And that doesn't necessarily have just something to do with this company being a multi-level marketing company. And I'm obviously very critical of these. But in general, if services already have a lot of spelling errors, user problems when you enter the website or the service, then that is a red flag for me. In my opinion, iGenius is a scam, and it is a scam that has already rebranded multiple times in a few years. Wealth generators, erased from Chad Garner's bio, Cuvera Global, where he was the president of, and iGenius, where he is the president of. The company always claims, or people always claim, if this topic comes up, oh, everything has changed. Yes, we've had some problems in the past, but all of that has changed. A lot of the people who are currently on the corporate team are new. They were not a part of the other companies, but Chad was. He was involved in all of these, and that is yet again another red flag. How much of a new company can this be? How much can the company have changed if you're pretty much using the same system you did with wealth generators, only that now you're legally allowed to also be involved in crypto trading when this is the person that has guided the company throughout the years, and that is still the same person. It is also extremely pricey if you want to join iGenius, and that is why this company is so horrifically bad, because it is very attractive because of the trading aspect, especially to young people. There are lots of distributors who are using this to really make cool reels on Instagram or have cool content on TikTok, but they're not really telling their potentials how financially damaging this can be for them. Imagine signing up with the highest tier, $1,500, and then you have an additional about $180 per month that you need to pay if you want to stay consistently in the company. If you sign up with the highest tier and you want to use the AI that the distributors are really pushing very, very hard, you have to invest at least $1,000. If you stay in iGenius for a year, just the renewal sign-up fee is $2,160. $1,000 on top for the investment and $1,500 for the highest tier. So within 1 year, 12 months alone, you could have spent $4,660. There is no guarantee that you will be able to recruit enough people to make that money back. It's a really, really pricey platform. And how good do you have to be, and how good does the platform have to be that you're able to make that money back and to make a profit in your first year via investing? After all, this is a multi-level marketing company, so it's a recruitment-based business and not a financial service. In my opinion, the financial service, the financial platform aspect is a facade to try and recruit people into this cool new trading idea, which at this point, as we will see, is already outdated. With the corporate videos, I always like to take a look at some video footage and to snark on people. And in this case, we're going to take a look at a video for the launch about 3 years ago from iGenius and Chat explaining to us what iGenius is.
How's it going, guys? My name is Chad Garner. I'm the president of iGenius, and today I want to tell you a little bit about iGenius, tell you a little bit about why I'm so excited about this new project. First of all, kind of on a personal note, in my career, I've been a part of some really cool projects and companies. I was a part of a company that was sold to a private equity firm, which was really cool to be a part of that whole process. I was involved with a technology software company that was in the early stages, and we raised a bunch of venture capital, and that was kind of cool to be a part of. But nothing that I've been a part of has ever gotten me as excited as iGenius. And let me tell you real quickly why. First of all, I believe that we have a financial education platform that is next to none. It is absolutely incredible. And let me tell you why. So our market experts around the world, financial market experts, teach our members about money and about the markets in 3 powerful ways. First of all, we have what we call University, which is basically education videos in a library that our members can watch at their convenience and kind of build a foundation in the markets and about money and money management, things like that. Then we have live sessions with our market experts, live actual sessions where our members can watch these market experts evaluating the markets and watching for opportunities in the markets, and our members can follow along and see that happen in real time. And then the third thing is we have a platform called Alerts One. And this Alerts One platform allows our members to connect to different channels where these channels are managed by market experts, and the experts send out alerts and trade ideas and information, and our members are able to follow along and get these alerts on their phone and in real time learn from market experts. A bunch of different ways that they can learn the markets. Guys, the world of investing is changing at a rapid rate. The way that people invested 5-10 years ago is entirely different. More and more people are becoming self-directed investors, and iGenius is on the cutting edge of that transition, and we provide people the right tools, the information, the education to be able to capitalize on that change and the right information to really have success as self-directed investors. So that's the first reason.
You went through some of the things already that were available and that were shown as membership benefits that are showed you on the website, and none of that, in my opinion, is worth a sign-up fee of $1,500 or spending more than $4,000 in 1 year just to join, use an AI, and to renew your fee monthly. What I always say in these instances, and I stay by that in all of my videos that I made about iGenius before, and this topic came up, how much of an expert training does iGenius provide? How much of an expert can someone be when they teach for iGenius? If people were that great, if people were experts at this, they would be doing exactly that. Because that way they would make more money per hour or per project investing using their expertise and not make educational videos and expert videos for iGenius, a multi-level marketing scam. In my opinion, allegedly. The real-time alerts, in my opinion, depending on what you trade, might be outdated by the time you start. If you invest in the stock market, not necessarily. If you invest in long-term investments, but then again, I also don't need a real-time alert. But if you're involved in day trading, for example, or in Forex, that information, once you have received it from the experts, could already be too late, and it's not worth investing anymore. He said it himself, the market changes so quickly, and if you have these expert trading notifications, I would assume they're only worth it for short-term investments. And then, once you receive that alert, it could already be too late. And he is right that the stock market is evolving super quickly, and it's not looking like what it did 5 to 10 years ago, or in this case, 3 years ago. The economical situation has drastically changed ever since iGenius, well, I don't want to say launched, because there are a continuation of other companies in my opinion, but we're currently in a completely different economical situation. We're in a recession. It's a tricky market, and it is easier in this day and age, in my opinion, to invest in good stock. Because what are people currently doing? Most people will go with even more secure investments. When the stock is down, you trust in it, you will invest in it, or you will invest in funds, or you will invest in ETFs, projects that are long-term investments. For that information, I don't need to sign up with iGenius. This is also not financial advice from my perspective, but the things that iGenius is offering and the things that he mentioned don't necessarily sound up to date anymore to me for this day and age.
Second reason is iGenius is a life improvement platform. That's what I like to call it. Basically, we have a bunch of additional benefits and perks for our members, in addition to the financial education, like travel benefits, discount travel. We call it Travel Pro, and it's powered by Wonderlust, and it's a platform where you can go in and you can save money when you are booking vacations or booking travel, which is really fun. Another thing is we call it Wallet Pro, and Wallet Pro, which is powered by CoinZoom, which is a cryptocurrency exchange where you can manage all of your cryptocurrency, and then that cryptocurrency can be tied to a debit card where you can go out and spend that debit card, spend that crypto, and then get rewarded in cryptocurrency for doing so. And our members get additional perks and benefits with CoinZoom. So just a couple of the perks or benefits of the iGenius platform. That's kind of my second reason.
A lifestyle platform is not a good reason to sign people up with so much money. Most people don't travel that much that it is worth for them to sign up with $1,500 and then potentially with fees, what was it, $750 or $1,000 to receive this pro benefits in the gold or in the platinum category. How much do you travel that this is really worth it? There are programs available, payback programs, travel programs, hotel programs that the companies are giving you, and they want you to use their services, and they want you to use their hotels and their transportation services predominantly, and then you are being rewarded. And many times you don't even have to pay. For a business credit card where those perks are also normal, yes, you might have an annual fee, but this is nothing compared to the prices that iGenius wants its members to spend on a lifestyle platform. So we're not even a financial literacy platform anymore. That is strange, chat. Very strange.
And then the third reason that I am so excited about this iGenius launch is something called NDAO. And let me first explain a little bit about what this is before I jump right into it. So the world of cryptocurrency has become a much more mainstream. People are seeing that there is a place for cryptocurrency. These pioneering cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum, Litecoin, they did an amazing job of bringing cryptocurrency out of darkness into the light, right? But just like MySpace was kind of the first mover with social media, they're not who we all use today. We use Facebook and we use Instagram and other platforms. Facebook, Instagram, they learned from MySpace, but they kind of improved it. Well, that's exactly what has happened over the past couple of years. And a group of individuals, they looked at the existing cryptocurrencies and they addressed a lot of the shortcomings or the flaws. And they created a brand new cryptocurrency called NDAO. And NDAO is designed to be a long-term store of value, or in other words, it's designed to not be so volatile. It's designed for people, it incentivizes people that will hold it and actually even lock it up. And then it disincentivizes or discourages people from trading it and moving in and out of it quickly. So it's kind of an entirely different setup than Bitcoin or Litecoin or some of these other coins. And again, it's because they have the advantage of being able to see the other guys, learn from their mistakes, and create something extremely powerful and brand new. There's a ton of things. I can't go into all of it on this short little video, but there's a governing monetary policy that ensures that the coin is only issued when there's demand and all kinds of other stuff. Guys, this NDAO currency, it could be the next big thing. It could be the next Bitcoin, and that's what their goal is. And so why am I talking about this coin called NDAO? What does it have to do with iGenius?
Yeah, good luck investing. And that just shows yet again, how outdated this already is 3 years later. Good luck investing in crypto now, especially with NDAO, which is pretty much a made-up currency that holds no worth.
Let me tell you, iGenius is owned by a publicly traded company called Investview. And Investview has created a partnership or relationship with the founding investors in NDAO. And as a result, they have an agreement in place where, Investview, iGenius can purchase NDAO in large quantities at a set price, and then we can offer that to our members. So our members can purchase NDAO at prices that are different than market prices. And we actually have some really cool benefits with our packages, our NDAO packages, where if you lock your NDAO for 3 years, you can get it protected by a TPP, a company that basically offers purchase protection. And so we have this powerful package that includes a unique way to purchase it. It includes protection, and we are able to offer this all because of this relationship that we have with our publicly traded, our parent company, Investview. And it's something that is absolutely game changing. Guys, that's the third reason. I can't go into everything today, but I am so fired up about these three things. This is what I believe is going to make iGenius become a household name, something that's going to absolutely take over. So I have one request, is that whoever shared this video with you, get with them today, call them today, and find out more about our financial fitness products, our financial education products, find out more about our lifestyle products, and find out more about Endow. And guys, do it today, and I will see you on the next.
I don't think you will see me on the next. And all of this, all of these perks, all of the things you just spoke about, they're fluff to cover up that this is an MLM, or to at least make it look and sound more appealing. Because the essential thing is what he said in the end. It's really important. Do it today. Do it now. Get back to the person who sent you this link. Because that is the person that wants to recruit you, and that is the core of the business that he is running. This was the iGenius launch with Chet Garner 3 years later, and it didn't age well. The comments on this publicly available video, by the way, they're also off. And there are only a little bit more than 1,800 views. I strongly believe that iGenius was never able to fully take off the way he wants to, and he wants to make us believe, because the anti-MLM community did a huge part, or rather WFAB. If you remember the good old times when our friend Jasmine Elizabeth went with a group called WFAB from Monate to iGenius. And the fact that they did that in such an abysmal, disrespectful way towards their very own team, towards their very own downline, really brought this team and also the new MLM, iGenius, they went to onto the map with the anti-MLM community. And I guess that really, really wrecked iGenius' chances, because if you look up the content online, you see a lot of anti-MLM content about this. When I was doing my research for this video, I also stumbled across the original video. It's a classic in my opinion at this point, where WFAB's Jasmine Elizabeth was on a call with our chat to counteract misinformation that people spread after it was made aware that WFAB was changing and was switching over to iGenius. They received a lot of negative press because of the anti-MLM community and because of a lot of critical videos. Let me know if you're interested in me reacting to these types of videos as well. I watched it, I had to laugh so hard, where they tried to set the record straight with WFAB and iGenius. This is an older video clearly, and it's a classic at this point in my opinion. I would like to know if you believe this could be interesting, if you would be interested in me reacting also to these older videos, to these classics at this point, and giving my 2 cents on these now also with a couple of years back. Just like, I don't know, Brooke Ashley Banks talking about how horrible anti-MLM community is, and fuck all of the haters when she's wearing the cat shirt, the feline shirt. All of these things could be MLM classics. So let me know if that would be interesting to you. If not, I will not react to these because I don't want to spam you with a lot of outdated content. So this was iGenius, and the corporate side of iGenius, I focused on Chet Garner, the president of Wealth Generators, Cuvera, and now iGenius. And no, the company is not more legitimate because they're connected to Investview, a company that is also involved in financial services and is doing not so well, the stock market or in general. So let's not join iGenius. If you are interested in a membership that does not promise you life-changing opportunities and a financial service platform, then you can check out the YouTube membership I'm offering for this channel. The information will be linked down below. If you're not interested in a membership, then the best way you can support this channel honestly is for free, by watching these videos, by commenting, by liking, by subscribing, by sharing, and also by giving me information and also feedback what kind of content you would like for me to react to. This channel has experienced a good amount of growth yet again, and we hit 1,500 subscribers not too long ago, and that is really exciting to see. So thank you so much for everybody who supports this channel, and hello and welcome to the new people who recently joined. I'm really excited, and it's really unexpected to see this growth. I really appreciate your support, and I hope you do like these types of corporate videos, because the next one might take a while until I'm able to make my research and film it and upload it, but It's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a good one, and it didn't go down well for the company. It's about Monate. It's about the Monate corporate video. If you like these types of videos, then please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, share the video. All of these things help the channel out a lot. And if you like these types of videos, then hopefully I will see you in my next one. Until then, cheers!